Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Hostinger's affiliate dashboard. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure to select a plan. And if you want to start your affiliate journey, make sure to check the link in the description box to get a discount. Next, basically, we're going to go ahead to the official website of Hostinger Affiliate, right? And Hostinger Affiliate program is a program that allows you to start your journey in marketing their products and get get a profit by a commission, right? Try the program in 4 easy steps, right? First, instant sign up in less than a minute. It's a completely free. Get verified and access your affiliate dashboard. Next step, track your performance and access one of the best affiliate control panels in the industry. Easily track and optimize your campaigns. 3, you can use affiliate banners. You won't be empty-handed. Get all your marketing materials tailored to your style in one place, and then get your payout. Every eligible sale made earns you a commission. It starts at 40% and grows depending on sales volume. So if you want to know more, or if you want to see the dashboard right here, right, of your affiliate website, you're gonna see it from there, right? You can add plugins to your affiliate marketing like Google Sitekit, Hostinger, Amazon affiliate connector, and you have email marketing by OminSend right here to get profits from your affiliate program. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.